back again, Chaley. I hope you are doing amazing. So guys, today we are trying Airbnb. I hope you're excited just as I am. Okay, so I'm currently here at a place called Afariwa, which is about 15 minutes drive from Tema and about 10 minutes drive from Ashama. So let's see how the place looks like and let's see what to expect if you decide to spend a night or two here. Let's go. This place is a 2-bedroom full self compound. You're going to have the space to yourself, so there's nobody in your space. Here is very private. So let's see the first room. It's 2 rooms, so let's see. So I'm here with Henrietta Ajete and I'm sure she's chilling in there, so let's see. Let's go. Ta-da! So Hetty is already chilling. Give me some juice. Cheers, guys. This is to my first Airbnb vlog here in Accra, Ghana. And cheers. This is how the space looks like. It's very spacious. Then they have TV with cute chairs which you can study on. You can have breakfast, lunch if you decide not to have lunch outside the pergola. So let's see how the bedroom looks like. The best place is the bedroom. Come. Ta-da! Woo! I'm already feeling at home. This place is very, very nice. It comes with an AC, a fan, and of course, a beautiful bed, which you can do 1 or 2 things if you decide to come. So come, let's see. So they have like a small storage area where they have like the towels, the ironing table, some toiletries, and this is the bathroom. It's a very cute bathroom. I really like this. Look at this. This is so cute. To hang your towels. About this place is the fact that the fan, you can connect your phone with the fan. It has a Bluetooth and play all your music. So in the comfort of your hall and this space, you can just be playing music if you decide not to watch TV. So are you guys excited? So what do you like the place? Let me know in the comment section if you like the place. Hetty, today actually she's having so much fun. So let's go to the kitchen. Let's see how the space looks like. I'm going to be here for the entire weekend, and of course you guys are coming along, so let's go see how the kitchen looks like. Let's see the second room. So one thing I like about the place is the fact that it's so simple and very clean, and it's a new place. So I'm sure in the next few weeks, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, there's going to be a lot of things like extra lamp, microwave, blender in the kitchen. Expect to see all other things you're not seeing now here. And so let me know in the comment section if you think here is beautiful, and yeah, in fact as beautiful as me. Yeah, so this is how the compound also looks like. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So guys, last night I had a good sleep. How was your night, Hetty?
It was great, like I overslept, you know already.
Yeah.
I really did.
So it's about 7:30 now, and we're about to go get some items to cook. What are you cooking?
Eggs, sausage.
We're getting some items for breakfast, and what have you got so far?
Just for him to prepare some sausage.
Yeah, and it's very, very close to the Airbnb.
Yeah,
so
really, really close.
yeah, it's just about 2 minutes walk. We're about to prepare breakfast. Yeah!
So you're talking as you are going to do some chefy things, Biama.
I know, right? The fact that we bought the grapes as well to making me so excited.
Yeah.
So the kitchen is a very cute and very modern kitchen. Yeah.
Yes, right.
Especially this. So we are making our hot water for our tea while Henrietta is.
Yeah.
This is the chef of the day. So one of the things I like about Airbnb is the fact that you get to cook whatever you want. And today we have decided to enjoy our breakfast. Okay. I got some bread, about to toast it. So my breakfast, in fact our breakfast is ready from Chef Special Hetty.
Guys,
you all are
stop booking
invited.
me. Booking me. Stop booking me for your weddings, parties.
So you're all invited. Cheers, Hetty. This is a cold beverage. So guys, I'm fortunate to have Mommy Joyce here with us, and she's the owner of this beautiful space, and you're welcome.
Thank you.
In fact, you should be saying you're welcome.
Yeah, to it.
Yeah.
Oh well, the thing is, you're making it's your place now,
Yeah.
so obviously
At the
you
moment.
have to welcome me.
Yeah.
I'm your guest, literally.
Okay.
But it's a beautiful space. I mean, last night, especially when we came in, like the lighting,
Yeah.
it's just so beautiful.
So beautiful. So why did you choose Ghana for your beautiful Airbnb space?
Okay.
Yeah.
So the origin of this place is many years ago we got the plot, and then we decided to put up something small and leave the main place for future development. And as it were, they thought leaving it there, someone will come and stay. People came and stayed and left and just wrecked the whole place. So just out of the blue, I just thought, you know what, maybe with the Airbnb coming up and or maybe doing something like that in Ghana might work. So it's actually a trial for me. I just want to see how it works.
Okay.
So the property was there. We thought we'd just turn it around and see if it works, then good.
Okay, so where were you coming from? Or where are you coming from? Which country?
UK.
UK represent.
We don't say, we don't do it.
But when they come, they always tell us in it. So
Oh my God, no. My son hates it.
So, I mean, obviously last night we were here, we love the space, We had a good night's sleep. Like the style for the rooms and everything is just so beautiful. What's the inspiration behind that, or what kind of experience are you hoping guests will have once they come and live in your space?
The thing is, when I decided to do it, my husband always says, oh, when I want to do anything, I go the whole hog. That's how he puts it. I don't know what he means. So for me, having a place where someone wants to stay, I want it to be like where I would want to stay.
Okay.
And where I know that I feel comfortable. So if I want that, then I should extend it to whoever wants to stay. That's the main thing. So it's not like I'm not the one staying, so it can be just anything.
Yeah.
So that is mainly what it is, that if it's good for me, then it should be good for somebody else. That's the main thing. So I didn't have anything big. It was just, I was just thinking of it as we went on and just added on things as we were going. That's really, it wasn't like planned that this is how I wanted. I just wanted a white and black gray kind of theme with it. That's it. And for me, white is clean, so and it's calm, soothing. So that's the only reason behind it, really.
So is there anything you would like to share to anyone watching this video?
I just want to say that well, if people want to come and spend time when they come around here, or people within the country who maybe live outside Accra or just want a different environment just to chill or while away time away from everything, I think that this place will be suitable, I believe. So it's just like get away from all the noise and everything, come and have a quiet time to yourself with a few friends, then maybe you should think about here.
And the fact that it's close to, if you want to go to Shire Hills, if you want to go to anywhere after Akosombo, the eastern region, it's actually at a good area. The compound is very big.
It is. You
So
can
you
do
have
your events or small parties and stuff like that.
Actually, I have one here tomorrow.
And there's mommy just say that. And she also mentioned there's more development. You mentioned you're bringing other things like
we thought of hot tap, which is funny, but we hope that it will be cold tap eventually. So that should be in maybe in a couple of weeks, and we just add on things as we see, maybe a barbecue stand somewhere soon, so that few people will come, just chill, have your own thing, nobody seeing what you're doing in quotes, and have fun. Just have fun.
Okay, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you. I hope you enjoy your stay too.
We have a day
Did
more
you see
to
our
go.
breakfast?
I mean, I'm blown away. I thought, oh my God, they're living it, they're doing it so well. That's what I want to see, you've got what you want, and then it's just like, it's small enough not for you to look for things everywhere.
And it was so easy. We just took like a 2-minute walk outside and you're able to get
everything you wanted. That's good.
Okay.
Glad you like it so far.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me too.
Guys, who are you supporting, me or Henrietta? Okay, let's go. I mean, we're already on the game. So. Hey, why you taking my family members too? Okay, you wait. I'll kill you soon. If I let me run away before she comes.
6, 4.
Guys, this brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed being here. I'm also going to leave all details to this place in the description box. If you would want to spend a good time here for yourself, have this entire space for yourself, this is your plug, and it's right here in town, which is the outskirts of Accra. 10 minutes from Tema, and it's very close to Shire Hills. It's very close to Akosombo. So until next time on my next video, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, I love you all.